just to get your stinking leg up. Then 5 more to make it not look like shit. Soviet children form a crowd, sized and tested, who will be a star? Hero of passion, of whom they'll say she took her final breath in Grand Plie. Oh, my mother, Russian ballerina, you were a swan, but now you're swimming in the Caribbean. Oh, my mother, Russian ballerina, nobody knows how you can live without the love of your life. Everybody's asking me, where is Mary? I don't see her at the theater or the parties. That's right, because she's carving bamboo far from the artistic milieu. Never thought she'd live without allegiance to a life of art. Oh, my mother, Russian